Wave. The boy is waving his hand. Point. The woman is pointing her finger at something. Swim. The fish is swimming. Mop. The little girl is mopping the floor. Sweep. The man is sweeping. Wash. She is washing the face. Brush. She is brushing her teeth. Put. He is putting on a white shirt. Eat. She is eating her food. Drink. He is drinking a glass of water. Walk. The girl is walking to keep her body strong and healthy. Run. The boy is running 5 miles every morning. Jog. He goes jogging every morning before breakfast. Stretch. The boy is stretching to stay healthy. Ride. The little boy is happily riding his bicycle. Read. She finds joy and wisdom in reading every day. Type. I am typing an email to my boss right now. Dance. He loves dancing to happy music. Discuss. They are discussing something during their break time. Scroll. I am scrolling to find a message from my friend. Surf. She's surfing in the sea. Fly. The girl is happily flying a kite. Serve. She enjoys serving meals to the poor. Slide. The kid is sliding with joy. Push. The boy is pushing the swing for his brother. Pull. The kid is pulling his toy cart full of blocks. Row. They are rowing a boat in the sea. Paint. He is carefully painting the house in yellow. Print. The printer is printing many documents. Ring. The telephone is ringing. Feed. Mom is gently feeding her son. Sleep. He is sleeping peacefully. Wake. He is waking up at 6 a.m. with the sound of the alarm. Pass. Both children are happily passing the ball. Water. My mom enjoys watering the plants every day. Vacuum. She is vacuuming the living room. Bloom. The flowers are blooming beautifully. Weigh. Weighing a fruit on the digital scale.
Blend. The mixer is blending the fruit into a smoothie. Bake. A delicious pie is baking in the oven.
Toast. Bread is toasting in the toaster for breakfast. Cook. Mom is cooking, and the child is helping with a smile. Open. I'm opening the fridge to get some milk. Close. I'm closing the door quietly.